Morning guys, welcome to the channel. If you're new here, my name's Rodian and welcome. Do you ever have those days where you just turn up on site, you've been working grafting all week and you turn up and realise the labourer hasn't told you that they've run out of sand? Well, that is exactly what's happened here. There was a mighty pile of sand here, I have used it all up, and my labourer, i.e. me, hasn't told me that we need some more sand. There's a big pile of sand here, but that's got all sorts of rubble and all sorts in it. So, how am I going to get the sand from out of there up to where I'm standing? I ain't using a shovel, that's just too much hard work. I've got an idea. And there we go. Took delivery of a nice bit of sand there. Well, I say nice bit of sand, it ain't the nicest sand in the world. It's got loads of lumps and bumps and all sorts of crap in it. You have to use twice as much Feb so it doesn't go all gloopy. You have to make it a little bit wetter, and when it's in the sun, you put one brick down, you can rub it up straight away. It goes off that quickly. So don't advise digging sand straight out of the ground and using it. Use the treat stuff you get in Builders Merchants, but it's free and why the hell not? I like a challenge. I only just realised that I proper dug a bit of an overhang under there where I was digging that. That could have been dangerous. That's where the blade was of the digger. And I might fall down that. Yeah, this is the sand. It's full of lumps of rock. There are bits of tile in here. It's not the best sand in the world to use. But I'm sitting on top of it. I've got a digger to dig it out. Why the hell not dig it out and use it for nothing, eh? So we're good. Well, there's the beauty. For those of you who are interested, it is a Case CK15 and it has seen much better days. None of these work, none of the fuel gauge or anything. The only one that works is the glow plug one that you saw in the first sequence. You have to do an Austin Powers 10-point turn to turn round. You can't just turn on a sixpence like most diggers. The tracks keep coming off. It had to have a new ram on there because I picked a tree stump up and bent that one and broke it. This arm, whenever you turn the whole body left and right, the arm goes independently, so there's a lot of travelling there. The seats bust, the roof is being held on by 2 bolts. Oh yeah, it doesn't turn off. You can't turn it off. I'll tell you what, let me show you. Right, so as you can hear, it's running, bit of power, perfect. Now generally when you turn a digger off, I don't know how well you can hear me, generally when you turn it off, you just turn the key out. It's still running. We had to jerry rig it so that you pull this bit of wire here and it turns off. A nice little touch there. If anyone pinches it, then you can't turn it off and you just run out of juice. I would have to say it is a fantastic digger. There are a lot of things wrong with it. I did a service on it, new fuel filters, new oil filters, and she works an absolute dream. My dad bought her when I was back in college being an apprentice, and she's still here. That was over 10 years ago now. So she's still going, she's still running. She's Certainly got me out of a few scrapes. I've gone through a few water lines with her, a few gas mains with her. Yeah, she's part of the family, and she's still going. So it's not what it looks like, it's how well it works. And she doesn't look much, but by God, is she a good worker. Oh, for those of you who haven't seen this, I'll leave a card up here, link in the description. Go and check that video out. I'm gonna have to knock that down soon. Use that bit of hardcore. Unless any of you guys have got any ideas what I can do with it, comments down below. Yeah, I enjoyed that. That was good fun. Also, what else can I build? Something similar to this. Let me know down in the comments. Right, I'll leave it there for this episode, guys. Hope you've enjoyed it. Leave a like down below if you have. Subscribe if you aren't already. Comment away. What am I doing with this play button? Do you like my digger? What sort of sand do you guys use? Rumford sand. Does anyone still remember that? Is that still a thing? That stuff used to be the best sand I've ever used. But yeah, let me know down in the comments, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.